Hey everyone, we got a super duper short lesson. Look at that, and that's all there is to it. Super short lesson today. Just a review of adding and subtracting decimals. Yesterday you were working on estimating them. Today we are going to actually be solving them, and to the next lesson we are going to be solving them in equations. So we need to do a quick little refresher here. This will be a nice short lesson for you. I'll let you get right back to your homework. So our major key for when we're adding and subtracting decimals is to line up the decimal places. This is the one thing that you need to make sure you know, lining up those decimal places. For example, if we're adding 2.3 plus 7.06, to line up those decimals, I write this as 2.3. I line up the decimals over each other. Those decimals are in line with each other right there. I have them right in line with each other. Boop, 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 boop. Lined up. And if you want to, you can put a 0 right here. Otherwise, you can imagine that there's a 0 there. Up to you. I'm going to put a 0 there. It helps me out. Adding those up, 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 3 is 3. Drop down that decimal, 9.36. It's that simple. It's that easy. It works the same way for subtraction. We're going to get 4 practice problems here, and I'm going to let you get right to work. First one, we're doing some adding. We got 3.4 plus 8.09. I'm going to line this up. 3.4. I got to make sure the decimal places line up. Line up decimals. I can't stress this enough. This is your major key here. Line up decimals. So I have my decimal place right here. I'm going to match it up with this one right here. 8 on this side, 0 right there, 9 right there. I'm going to put imaginary 0 right up here just to make it a little easier for me while I'm adding. Add those up. We got 9, 4, 11, and that's our answer, just like that. It's that simple, it's that easy, it's that quick. We got one more addition one right here. Line them up, line up those decimal places. This one's going to be nice and easy because they have the same decimals. Make sure those decimal places are in line with each other. I don't ever want to see something like this, 3.758, and then something like this, 3.4. That is wrong. Those decimal places are lined up, not lined up. No, don't do that. Those decimal places have to be lined up. Decimal over decimal. I think you get the gist of it. Let's keep going here. That becomes 15. Carry the 1, 6. Pull down that decimal. There we go. It's that easy. It's that simple. Just like I told you, it shouldn't be a problem for us. Here we go over here. We got 8 minus 4. We're going to set this up the same. I'm going to put 8 decimal point right there. Minus 4 decimal point. 9, 3. I'm going to throw my imaginary zeros up here. That's going to be a little bit more important for our subtraction, because what are we going to have to do? We're going to have to pull from here, make this a 7, make this a 10, then make this a 10, and make this a 9. We got 7, 0, 3. There's your final answer. Just like you would be doing regular subtraction, keeping those decimal places in line. That's our most important thing. We got one more here, and then let you get to work. We got 2.19. Line that up with the decimals. Keep those decimals in line. Keep everything organized here. I'm going to toss an extra 0 over here to make it easier for me. Tossing those zeros on, you're always allowed to do. Let's put that up here as a key too. Add zeros to keep things in line. It's a nice little tip there. Tip. Finally doing some subtraction here. We got to pull this over, make this a 10, becomes 6, 0, get rid of this, pull that over to here, make this an 11, 2, 1. And there's your final answer. If you have questions on those, feel free to let me know. We're going to crush these, easy peasy. We're working on that back side of our 3.1 lesson. We will finish up that paper actually on Monday. So that's a 3-pager. You'll do the last part of it on Monday. So you should have two sections of it done, and there should be one left for Monday. The 3-4 lesson we'll do on Monday. So don't expect to be all the way done with the homework. There you go. Nice quick lesson for you, under 5 minutes. Have a great rest of your day.